Hi, everybody. I am here to read news to you for the week of November 9th. The topic this week is New African American Music Museum. Thought last week's was a mouthful. That's also tricky to say. Here we go. The National Museum of African American Music will open. The museum will open in the fall of 2020. There's a little note that says the museum opening may be delayed due to the coronavirus pandemic. Can never escape that. The museum is in Nashville, Tennessee. The museum celebrates African American music. The museum celebrates African American musicians too. African Americans created many kinds of music. The museum has exhibits about kinds of music. People can learn about the kinds of music. The kinds of music include blues, jazz, and rap. Would you like to go to the museum? I think lots of us would like to go anywhere these days. Might be fun to listen to different types of music, to try listening to some blues, some jazz, and some rap, okay, especially if those are things you don't normally listen to. All right, here's a recipe for hip hop pizza. And here's our joke. Knock, knock. Then you would say, who's there? Blues. Blues who? Blues going to the museum. Like, who's going to the museum? Ha ha, sort of. All right, I have a joke. What music do mummies like? I don't know what. Rap music. Too bad they didn't play that one for Halloween. That was a good one. Okay, let's take a look at this game page here. We're going to find pictures about the new African American Music Museum. So what were things that we heard about during the news story? So they talked about exhibits, and it says that it's a museum. So let's pick museum. I'm thinking music. We talked about different types of music. Probably not beehive. I didn't talk about any bees, and we didn't talk about the rainforest. But we talked about African Americans. I think we got them. There's usually four. Okay, so here's some questions. What is the paper about? The New Music Museum, the election, or the NASCAR championship race? This newspaper was about the New Music Museum. Question number 2. Who does the museum celebrate? African American musicians, soccer players, or park rangers? This museum celebrates African American musicians. And question number 3, where is the museum? Cleveland, Ohio, Houston, Texas, or Nashville, Tennessee? This museum is in Nashville, Tennessee. All right, and you can talk about this question with somebody at home. It says, what is your favorite kind of music? I know a lot of you have very strong opinions about music. So you could test out some blues, jazz, rap, rock, or maybe something else. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this news too. I'll talk to y'all soon.